In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 mirror error step by step, and more importantly, how to avoid it completely in the future. If you've ever tried to mirror a feature, body, or component, and Fusion 360 throws an error, you're not alone. This is a super common issue, especially when working with more complex designs. Stick with me and I'll walk you through exactly what's going wrong and how to fix it fast. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, let's quickly understand what this error actually means. A mirror error happens when Fusion 360 can't create a mirror code copy of whatever you selected. That could be a feature, a body, or an entire component. The reason it fails usually comes down to a mismatch between what you're trying to mirror and how you're trying to mirror it. One of the most common causes is choosing the wrong mirror type. Inside Fusion 360, you'll see options like feature, body, and component. If you pick feature but the geometry depends on other features that don't mirror well, it can fail instantly. So here's the fix. If you're working with a simple solid shape, switch to body. If you're dealing with timeline features, use feature. And if it's part of an assembly, go with component. Next, let's talk about the mirror plane. This is another big reason why errors happen. If the plane you select doesn't properly cut through or align with your object, Fusion 360 won't know how to mirror it correctly. To fix this, always try to use a midplane or one of the origin planes. These are the most stable and predictable options, especially for symmetrical designs. Another issue comes from complex or dependent features. Things like fillets, patterns, or chamfers can sometimes break when mirrored. If that happens, a really effective workaround is to mirror the base body first and then reapply those complex features afterward. This keeps things clean and avoids unnecessary errors. You should also check your timeline if the mirror keeps failing. Sometimes the issue isn't the mirror itself, but earlier steps in your design. Try editing or reordering features in the timeline so the mirror operation has a stable base to work from. And finally, watch out for geometry conflicts. If the mirrored result overlaps with the original body or creates impossible shapes, Fusion 360 will stop the operation. In that case, adjust your design or mirror plane slightly to avoid overlap. Quick tip. Most mirror errors happen because of the wrong mirror type, a bad plane selection, or trying to mirror overly complex features. Keep your geometry simple and your setup clean, and you'll avoid most of these issues. And that's it. You now know exactly how to fix Fusion 360 mirror errors and keep your designs running smoothly. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Fusion 360 guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.